Moving on, forehead.
Forehead. For real, I want to.
So this one is F-A-R-R-I-D.
Yeah.
Forehead.
Forehead. Yeah. Yo, one to your forehead. Oh, it's so big.
See your body shape, nice. Body shape, nice. Yo, you got the black girl booty. Bubble like the brewery. Love is not a crime.
Wagwan Subbies! You don't know, we just changed our name. We're just thinking about changing our
We're
name.
thinking about different options, but we're definitely gonna be the subbies.
Yes, we're thinking about the Subbies or the sub fam or something with Subbies. Because you know.
Because subscribers, subbies,
yeah. And you guys are our fans. We love you guys, and we want to call you guys a special name. So I think the Subbies would work, guys.
Or the sub fam. Comment down below.
Go ahead and comment down below what should we change our name to right now. Comment down below right now. Smash that like button, notification Subbies, notification Chase, notification Boom Bang Teng Ring,
notification sub fam.
Yeah. Also, comment down which country you guys from.
Yes, definitely.
Comment down below right now. We're gonna get right into this video, and the video we have for you guys today is called
Words Jamaicans Pronounce Incorrectly, Part
Few. Yeah, part few.
Really?
Yes, because you know I'm Jamaican, I'm gonna say one, few. Yeah, you don't know.
Whatever. Okay, so we did this video a long time ago, I think a year ago, and we asked you guys to comment more words that we didn't mention.
Yo,
in that
you
video.
guys were in this video
so
like commenting
a
a lot.
of words, and we never got a chance to do a second part, so we're doing it now.
And you guys have been requesting this video so much that we had to do it, guys. We had to do it.
Definitely. Okay, so we're gonna get right into the video, and the first word is pampers.
Pampas. Pampas.
So it's only fitting that we
So
start.
change your boy Pampas.
Yeah.
Me need to change your boy Pampas. Pause now Pampas.
It's only fitting we start with that because Chase is in the video.
I feel like, yeah, for real. I mean, we said this like
all the time.
all day.
I think I even searched this the other day on Google. And I couldn't find what I wanted, and I'm like, oh, diaper, pamper.
For real, it's so natural for you to say pampas.
Yeah, it's so natural. It just rolls off its own. Second one is kettle.
Kettle. Drop the T's and put the K's. Kettle.
Chad tells me to put on the kettle
Yo, go put on
every
the kettle,
single
baby.
night because he has to have his tea before he goes to his bed.
Yeah, because that's like an old man-ish thing.
Yes,
but
very old man.
after I eat, I actually use the kettle. Guys, I don't know, it just flows better. Kettle.
It rolls off the tongue.
Yeah, kettle. What is kettle? Kettle.
You just said what is kettle? Kettle.
I said
just
kettle.
so natural for you. This one is brother.
Brother. Brother. Yo, brother, wagwan. Yo, brother, wagwan. Brother. Yo, brother, what's up?
So if you have a Jamaican colleague or anybody that speaks like Jamaican in your office and they say brother, just know what I mean, brother.
Brother, yeah. I mean, that's even like 100% Jamaican would say like brother.
Yeah, and you don't have to be their brother.
Yeah. And it's not yo, my brother. Yeah, it's really brother, like as in friend. Like I think brother means like friend, so it's like everywhere.
Yeah, it could be.
Yeah.
But you can still say that's my brother. Moving on. Idiot.
Idiot. Idiot.
So we're gonna add some E's and emphasize it.
Idiot.
And if somebody calls you that, that's not a good thing.
You're an idiot boy.
See, try just add an H.
Yeah, because sometimes, I don't know, for me guys, I replace H with the E, you know, like.
Or you add the H and the E and you just emphasize it.
Idiot. I say idiot. That little idiot boy, see?
Moving on. Forehead.
Forehead. For real, I want to.
So this one is F-A-R-R-I-D.
Yeah.
Forehead.
Forehead. Yeah. Yo, one to your forehead. Oh, it's so big.
Oh my god. I don't know how Chase sits down. Everybody always comments how Chase sit down with all his loud parents.
He's used to it.
He's used to it, guys. Even off the camera.
Yeah, he's used to it. Next one we have is foolishness.
That's foolish. They just take out some of the letters and just call it foolish.
You have to throw an H in there. We as Jamaicans have to throw the H in there, so we just kind of emphasize the H. Foolish.
Foolish.
Foolish. Next one we have is called Tuesday.
So we just say Tuesday. Such like Tuesday.
I honestly, I don't say this one, guys. I can't, like, for me, I can't say it. It's not natural for me to say Tuesday.
Oh my god, guys.
It's not, like, for you.
So many people say that, Tuesday.
I know, yeah, but for me, it's not natural for me to say this.
I think it's just how you pronounce it.
I don't know, yeah, it just feels weird saying it. Tuesday. Next one we got is certificate.
Certificate. So I honestly think this is just a mix-up of the letters. Like
I just feel like that's the right word to say.
But that word is so funny. Every time I hear it, that one makes me laugh.
Yeah, it's true though.
Certificate.
Yeah. With my certificate then.
Where is certificate then? Next one is middle.
Miggle.
Okay.
Yo, miggle the thing now.
We're gonna take out the DD and add GG.
GG. So miggle. What is middle? Miggle.
So guys, we just take out letters, add in letters. You know, we forget letters, but we'll make it our own.
Yeah, because you don't know, Jamaicans are good for that, guys.
We're unique.
We're unique. Alright, next one we have is hospital.
We're gonna say the hospital.
Yo, take me guy the hospital. Me stomach no feel right. Me want do. Take me guy the hospital. Lord, me kidney. Me need to go the hospital.
Guys, that one's another funny one for
Yeah, I love it.
The hospital.
The hospital.
So we're gonna take out the O. I'm gonna add in A.
Yeah,
So we
hospital.
emphasize it.
Hospital. The next one we have is evening.
Okay, so we're gonna say Evelyn.
Boy, me I tell you.
So just put the L-I-N to the end.
Boy, I tell you.
Evelyn.
When I hear this, guys, it cracks me up because you know how Jamaicans are so like calm when it's in the evening time, so they will just talk very slow and it's just so funny.
Evelyn.
Evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, guys. So we're moving on to the next one. We have old.
Howl. You howl. You howl. You need to stop. You howl. You howl. You walk like a young boy. You howl now. Go sit down. Go sit down. You howl, man. You.
Like owl animal.
Yeah.
Just say owl.
Owl. Yeah, owl. Yo, guys, comment down the words that we haven't said yet, guys. Go ahead and comment down below, cause this.
Let us know.
We love it. We'll do a part 3 for this right now, guys. We love this video.
Cause this one's so fun.
Yeah.
Moving on to the next one. X-ray.
X-ray. Guys.
We need one X-ray.
Me just do one X-ray. Something right. I mean, me rip them. So me just go do the X-ray and them tell me say me broke. Me two and me rip them.
Two of your
Two and me rip them. Yeah.
Exactly.
X-ray.
So the next one is 2 words. Sit down. But we're gonna make it 1 word and say
Sit down. Go sit down. Go sit down and take up a book. We are run for. Go sit down. Go sit down.
So we're gonna say S-I-D-U-N-G.
Yeah. Sit down.
We're gonna just join it and remix it.
Yeah, you don't know. You know, we us Jamaicans love to change things and we are doing it right now. Just go change the word from sit down to go sit down.
And last but not least, YouTube.
YouTube. Yo.
Put it on.
What is YouTube? You talk YouTube. No man, YouTube you talk about, man. Now we talk about YouTube. What is YouTube? YouTube.
So we're gonna put C-H.
Yeah.
U-B.
Yeah, you don't know because YouTube. I YouTube the thing there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and comment down below the words we haven't said because there's so much words.
There's so many words.
We can do a
guys.
part 3 right now. Because you don't know me, I'm from Jamaica, so I have to say 3.
No, not the 3 outside.
Not the 3
outside.
Mess her up.
Yeah, the 3
Guys,
outside.
in Jamaica we say 3. The 3 outside, the 3, the number 3, 3, everything 3. What you
Oh my
say?
God.
3. It's okay, babe. It's okay.
You did that.
We don't
You
say
did that.
We don't say 3. We say 3. Okay, I'm teaching you.
Oh my God. And guys, don't forget to comment down the new channel name.
Yes, go ahead and
More
comment down.
suggestions will always help, but a new name is coming soon.
A new name is coming soon.
It's under
That's sitting near
construction.
You don't know.
And you guys have been requesting a new starting for the videos, a new intro video.
Yeah.
That's also coming
There's
soon.
hustle coming too.
We have a new addition to the intro video.
Yeah, you don't know. So just look out for it. Subscribe right now if you guys want to be a part of the family because you don't know we are going to do notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to
Olivia Stewart.
big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over Danielle's head top right here. Second notification shout out goes to
It's Raheem.
It's right. Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. And the third and final notification shout out goes to
Margaby Adams.
big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over Daniel's head top right here. Thank you guys for your love and
Thank
support.
you for watching.
Yes, go ahead and share this video with a Jamaican or Caribbean person right now because they will understand us, okay? Because
they know what we're talking about, and you know what we're talking about if you're not Jamaican, because in your culture, you know there's some things that you say that we won't understand, but it's something unique to you.
Yeah, so go ahead and share this with somebody you guys love. Go ahead right now. We love you guys, and thank you guys for your love and support, and we are out.